stocking stuffer haul. We went out and found a whole bunch of stuff to fit inside the stocking. Let's see what all we got here. We mainly tried to find items that were under $3, and most of them were. So we went with a lot of blind bags and mini toys. However, some were slightly over budget. But seriously, it's Harry Potter. Like, I was gonna pass that up. Okay, so let's get started. These are twosies with 2 surprise twosies inside. We're just gonna open that up. This one is a little mouse and a baby with a mouse costume. Oh, look, its little head moves. And the little container? Oh, I think it's a playpen. However, it is actually a display case for them to fit inside. We have some blind bags from The Secret Life of Pets. What do we have in here? Oh, it's Max. Animal Jam Adopt-a-Pet blind bags. They come with a plastic den. Just gotta fold down the door and pull out the little friend, which doesn't want to come out. Yes, we have freed the little bunny. Now we just have to open up another bag. It's a bunny with a chef hat, and these do come with, let me stand you up there, a little scratch-off code to use online. Tsum Tsums! These are Series 3 blind bags, and we're gonna just open it up to see who's in there. It's Woody! He has a little sheriff badge. These cost a little more, but I like them because you can see exactly what you're getting. Does it fit in the stocking? Yeah. And we found Moana plush Tsum Tsums. I love the pig. He is just too cute. Blind bags from DreamWorks Trolls. I had to very carefully cut this one at the top because I don't want to accidentally cut their hair. Oh, wow. And this one has a lot of hair. It's just a little hairball. Monster High Minis. I absolutely love opening blind bags. Or blind lockers, in this case. Ari Huntington. I believe I already have this one. Chubby Puppies. These are miniature Chubby Puppies. Each pack comes with 2. One that you can see and one that's a mystery. This one is the Husky. Aww. And this one is a Bulldog. Speaking of puppies, this is Puppy in My Pocket. They are fuzzy puppies and a good size for our 10 to 12 inch dolls. Wait, they also fit mini American Girls and like the Lori dolls from Target. Stickbot. I saw these at Toy Fair in February and I thought they were just the coolest idea. Can it fit in the stocking? Yes, it can. It's this little posable figure where you can move him and do little stop motions because he has like little suction cups underneath his feet for him to stick on the surface. Well, not this surface. You need like a smooth surface, like that. Download the free app, place your phone on a tripod, and make a stop motion. And you can take it a step further and get the Stickbot Studio Pro with a green screen. How cool is that? However, this does not fit in the stocking. We found some Littlest Pet Shop. We have blind bags and then the small sets that I think will fit. Yep, they fit. This is from the Pets in the City collection or series. It's a piglet with a sugar cube stuck to his forehead. We found these Barbie accessory packs at Walmart for $2.44. We saw a baking set, a campfire, music stuff, a fishing line with binoculars and a compass, and a sleeping bag with a lantern. My mini Mixie Q's! Here are the original Series 1, and we found a few Aqua boxes. But I am still looking for that unicorn, so I am going to open an original Series 1. I can't handle the anticipation. We have Gamer Boy and Magician Girl. From the Nickelodeon TV series Shimmer and Shine, these are teeny Genies. They come in a little magic lamp, which is a keychain. It opens on the side, and then there's a little tiny genie inside. Oh, she's so cute! And there are over 130 genies to collect. They are just a little bigger than a My Mini Mixie Q, and honestly, these could be hung on the Christmas tree. Speaking of ornaments, we found Shopkins blind bag ornaments, where you get 2 Shopkins inside. I know these are supposed to be a mystery, like that's the whole fun of blind bags. However, if you look at the bottom, you can see through the plastic. But that's horrible, never do it because it ruins the surprise. I think this is a Christmas wreath. Yes, it is. And the other one is wrapped candy. The Shopkins Chef Club, which is in like a baby food jar, is a real mystery. Even though the container is clear, you can't see inside until you open it. We have Buncho bananas and Iris icing sugar with a tiny cookbook. Walmart has these My Life As collectible charm bracelets. I thought these charms would make perfect toys for our dolls. However, removing the hook was not easy. I think I'm just going to leave that one in. American Girl Mega Blocks are a great alternative for dolls. They are the perfect size for our Barbies to have like an 18-inch doll that's their size. That's pretty cool. Hatsune Miku blind bags. There are 6 different ones to collect. And this one is... aww. And there are happier ones. This is a Harry Potter collector's keychain blind bag. I would love to have the Triwizard Cup for the dollhouse. I don't know why I am so nervous opening this one. Dobby, you are not the Triwizard Cup. Num Noms Season 2. There is lip gloss or a stamp inside. Pull off the top for the surprise lip gloss. I would totally use these as food for an 18-inch doll. Little Woodsies has blind Acorns with a little bobblehead inside. There we go. They're fuzzy like calico critters, but they're bobbleheads. I was at Walmart and I saw these and I was like, yay, blind bags! They're called Magic Mimi's Yummy Surprises, and it says there is one magical yummy surprise treat inside. That's when I realized these are just the treat for another toy, the Magic Mimi, which is an adorable little character that has Memotions. And it does not fit in the stocking, so it does not qualify as a stocking stuffer. But let's go ahead and check out the Yummy Surprise. Depending on what the food item is, I can use it for dolls. If I have a magical Mimi, I can just press the top of the head. Little light comes on, and then I press the button on the back of the food. Oh wow. Think he likes it? Is that light blue or purple? I think that's pink. That means he doesn't like it. Does that mean he will forever dislike the popcorn? Here, let's try one more time. Still pink. I just keep trying to feed him and he doesn't want to eat. My Little Pony blind bags. These are from the Cutie Mark Magic collection. Inside we have Bumblesweet. Now that we've gone through a whole bunch of mini toys, it is time to fill the stockings. Dobby, do you mind getting me those stockings? Wait, on second thought, let me get them. We are going to give away 6 stockings on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, filled with some of the fun stuff from this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff. And that's our collection for now. Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. And a warm place in my heart. We want to give a shout out to Alicia Rogers. What's up? Hey Carmen, notice anything different? I'm sorry, what? No, not really. She is totally not paying attention. Aw, I have no one I can show off my new hairstyle to. All right, up there, you can get down. Let's try this again. Same time tomorrow? All right, bye. Here comes the